Want to adjust video speed in CapCut on your iPhone for slow or fast motion effects? This usually happens when you want to add. This guide is useful when you want to add dramatic or fun effects on your clips. In this video, I'll show you how to change video speed in CapCut. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app on your iPhone. After that, open your project. Now, select the clip. Here, a menu of options will appear at the bottom. Now, tap speed from the bottom menu. Now here you'll see three options, like normal, curve, and velocity effects. If you select normal, you can adjust overall speed of the clip. And then if you select curve, you will get some options like montage, bullet, jump cut, etc. Select one of these to apply a pre-made speed ramp effect. These options gradually speed up or slow down. And then if you select velocity effects, then you will get more options like flash, blur, shake, etc., which automatically analyze the video and apply the speed ramp for you. Now, for example, select normal, drag the slider to left for slow motion, or drag right for fast motion. After adjusting, tap the checkbox to apply. Now, simply play the video. The video clip will now play slower or faster based on your adjustment. And that's it. This is how you can change video speed in CapCut on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.